ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the picture. Drop a couple racks, watch his ass get bigger. Tricking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, he can eat it like.
What's good, loves? Welcome back to the channel. I am back with another video. So I just received my shapers from SHAPELLX, and it was a couple of things on the website that I was really interested, especially with their dresses. So let's get into it. And you know, I like to keep it slim and trim even through my bloated days. So the first piece that I will be reviewing is their built-in 360 seamless square neck shaper dress, and I have her in brown, and I also got her in the color blue. Here's the dress, and this dress is absolutely stunning, and I love the fact that she definitely took a couple of pounds out of my stomach, and it just feels like she's sucking me in. And I wanted to match this dress with my purse and my shoes, just so you know, you can dress this however you want. You can wear this dress anywhere. This is an all-purpose dress, and you can wear her just about in any occasion, any event. So the dress has a built-in removable bra pads in the front, so you can go bra free with this style, or you can keep the cushions in. She has a tightly woven fabric in the waist and the lower abdomen, so it gives you that hourglass shape, or it just helps take some of those inches off the waist, which I love. So this dress is versatile, so you can style her any type of way you want. You can wear her basic, or you can switch it up into more like a retro style. The dress is comfy and very seamless, which I also love as well. And oh yeah, a dressing tip: it's easier to put this dress on from the bottom. I try to put the dress on the other way, and yeah, it wasn't going. So this dress definitely has spandex to it. But this is super cute. I would totally wear this for like out somewhere, like for a dinner or something, or maybe for brunch. But this is definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. She's super comfy. I love the elastic compression of the fabric in the mid waist, and I love the fact that the cups in the dress is supporting the girls. I mean, this dress is definitely bringing out the curves, okay? It is definitely giving me hourglass for hours.
Everybody jacking me as soon as I stepped in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. 7 this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top, all the way at the top. Tell me, what is her name? Oh, she made us drinks, the drink. We drunk and I think she thinks I'm cool.
So the last shaper that I am reviewing is their Air Slim Bone Sculpt High Waist Shorts. And I've actually had some like these before, I believe in the previous video that I did for SHAPELLX, only in the color beige, but this I got in the color black. So I'm going to be showing different clips of like befores and afters with and without the shaper. And with the shaper, it definitely took my waist 2 sizes down within seconds. It comes with a thick, comfortable high waistband, so it's going to stay put. And you know what that means, ladies? No roll-ups. The shaper feels very secure, and it's very high quality, very flexible, and it just contours my waistline, and it just gives me that nice hourglass shape. I mean, look at the difference between the before and after. I mean, it literally smoothed my whole backside. And it comes with a little zipper crotch design that where you can have easy access to go to the bathroom. It definitely feels like a corset without the discomfort. This shaper is so seamless because it literally looks like I don't have anything underneath. The shaper also enhances your butt. It just gives it a nice contour, and it gives you like a nice booty pop, and gives out the illusion as if it's larger or more shaped. And it comes with your standard 3-row hooks, so it is customized to fit and reduce your waistline up to 2 sizes, which it definitely did. But I am literally impressed. These are like the best shapewears that I've had in a very long time. And I didn't have any complaints the last time I reviewed SHAPELLX. So I really do like these. Shipping and handling was fast. I believe I received my package within like a week and a half. And I'm really impressed by the shaper like dresses. Oh my God, what a great idea to have a shaper like dress, like a 2-in-1. But overall, my favorite is the blue dress and the black shaper. And also, I will make sure to have each and every item in this video down in the description below, including a promo code to get your percentage off. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag sauce, you drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag sauce, you drippin' swag do. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag sauce, you drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag sauce, you drippin' swag do. Oh.